Hi, YouTube. This is Stephanie of the Work at Home Lifestyle, and I'm back with another work from home job for you. This time it is with the company Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is looking for a retention specialist that's a great communicator who is comfortable taking on complex projects with a diverse set of stakeholders. What you'll be doing is building relationships with the assigned pros who failed billing, which include establishing a trusted strategic relationship, resale value on using HCP, and you will show prompt attention to details and timelines with the ability to leverage action. You're going to create and implement standard operating procedures. You'll have the ability to effectively communicate client information across teams. They prefer someone that has a bachelor's degree, but it's not required. They're looking for someone that has 2 to 4 years of full-time sales and or customer service, customer support experience, a demonstrated experience meeting sales metrics, and experience in developing relationships with customers and serving as a consultant. The pay for this position has a salary range of $27.88 up to $33.65 per hour, and it includes a base and a potential performance bonus. Okay? It also offers employee assistance program, 401k, and flexible time off. Go ahead and apply for this one. This is a great job for you. So go ahead and go for it.